बेस माय टॉपिक इज डावरी सिस्टम। मैं इसे एक कोटेशन के साथ शुरू करना चाहूँगी। दहेज प्रथा सिर्फ एक प्रथा नहीं है, यह भीख मांगने का एक सामाजिक तरीका है। सो टुडे वी टॉक अबाउट डावरी सिस्टम। अब नहीं कह सकते कि अगर हम एजुकेटेड हैं या हम किसी अच्छी फैमिली से हैं तो हम दहेज नहीं लेंगे। इन अकॉर्डिंग टू मी एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू all of you, so I'm feeling so good because I don't know who's watching me, who's laugh at me, and I don't care about. So मैं बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि आपको पढ़ना ज़रूरी नहीं है, आपको अपनी सोच बदलने की ज़रूरत है। ये दहेज लेने के लिए ये मिथ है कि आप पढ़े लिखे हैं तो आप दहेज नहीं लेंगे। सर एक एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं कि हमारे पेरेंट्स बहुत पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं, पर उनकी सोच ऐसी है कि उनके बच्चे पढ़ें और बहुत आगे बढ़ें।
पैसा इतना नहीं गिरता जितना इंसान पैसे के लिए गिर जाता है। सो माय टॉपिक इज डाउरी। So dowry is the biggest problem in our society, because so many families are facing this problem. They want to marry his daughter in a higher society, but they can't help it because different people have different demands, like 10 to 40 lakhs, golden chance, car, etc. But the family can't afford it. That's why they borrow money from other, and after that they marry his daughter in a higher society. But after marriage, if the women do not pay the proper dowry, so they torture by his husband, they torture by his father-in-law, mother-in-law, etc. And sometimes the husband burn their wife for the reason of dowry. So I want to say a शायरी, in this generation रिश्ते प्यार से नहीं, रिश्ते पैसे देकर निभाए जाते हैं. So that's why so many women are take wrong decision. They take poison. They do suicide. So in every single day, 21 women are do suicide. And if you talk about the year, so in a year around 7,665 women are do suicide because of dowry. And that's why in this generation the parents don't want to born any girl. And if you talk about the ratio of boys is more than girls. The ratio is around 51.20% of ratio of boy population. And if you talk about the girls population of ratio, is that 48.20%. So you can find out that the ratio is the less than girls ratio is less than boys ratio. And lack of money, so many girls are run away with the another person, and this is very insultful for a family. And in India, 20%, around 20% women are unmarried because of dowry. And in Bihar 1961, the dowry is prohibited in Bihar. If a person take dowry, so it may go in jail, but no one takes seriously. And government make also so many sections on dowry, like 498A and section 304B, but no one takes seriously. And government do not take strict action of dowry. That's why the dowry is increasing day by day. And some parents are give dowry as a gift, but in this generation the gift is become a demand. And if we talk about the education, so the education of the boys is more than girls. The boys are educated more than girls. Like if we talk about the ratio, so the boys are educated according to the ratio around 74.4% boys are educated. But if we talk about the girls ratio, so the girls is if you talk about the ratio, so 65.48% girls are educated. So you can find out that girls are less educated than boys. So I think every single parents should be educate their girl. So if every single girl are educated, so I think the dowry will decreasing, because if every person are educated, so they will not narrow minded. And if every person are educated, so they will have job, so they do not take any dowry.
It was the blind initiation class on the, you spoke about the system of the dowry. Okay.
Yes,
so do you think that the dowry is a big problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why it is a big problem? Can you
Because-
tell me some the aspects and reason?
Okay, sir. Because so many girls are facing this problem, and they torture by his, if they don't pay the proper dowry, so they torture by a lot of people in
So
this family.
according to your point of view, who's responsible of the dowry? We are responsible, government are responsible.
Sir, we are responsible and government is also responsible.
Well, okay. So how can we control the dowry system? What is the point of
Education is
views?
most important in the dowry, because so many people don't know about this section of the dowry, and if they know.
Today's my topic is dowry system. मैं इसे एक कोटेशन के साथ शुरू करना चाहूँगी। दहेज प्रथा सिर्फ एक प्रथा नहीं है, यह भीख मांगने का एक सामाजिक तरीका है। So today we talk about dowry system. In order to large dowry system, paying to large dowry, lots of parents marry their daughter in childhood, and according to surveys, 700 million girls are married off in their childhood and in their teenagers. And according to me, this is a myth. If people are educated, then they don't ask for dowry. And we always see that if boys are doctors and engineers, they asking for large dowry. Not so that's why we say that if people are narrow-minded, if people are educated and they belongs to good family. सर, हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि अगर हम एजुकेटेड हैं या हम किसी अच्छी फैमिली से हैं तो हम दहेज नहीं लेंगे। According to me and according to all of you, we always see that if boys are in good position, in good job, they earn good money, they ask for large dowry, not less. They don't say that I'm educated, I'm earning money, then I can't take dowry. They also asking for large dowry. And dowry system, and asking for dowry, not just asking, it is a source of abusing the girls, and the girl who live in their family and live with unknown family members, and they give their 100% for family happiness, and you abuse her for less money, and this is not a only materialistic evil, this is a social evil. They kill the girls, and this is a very big problem for girls ratio and boys ratio. Boys ratio are increasing day by day, and girls ratio are decreasing day by day. And every 1,000 boys, girls ratio are 914, and this is a very serious issue. And dowry give and take crime in Indian law, but in India, 97% marriage of depends on dowry, take and give and take, and this is a pre-demand for groom's family for bride family. And for dowry system in rural areas, parents don't see the groom's family. They don't know each other, but for less money, for dowry sake, they sell their daughter with him, they send their daughter with him, and they marry their daughter with him, and they don't know about groom family.
Watching anything. Okay. So in this moment, how are you feeling?
So I'm feeling so good, because I don't know who's watching me, who's laugh at me, and I don't care about. So that's why
Exactly.
I feel good.
That's why this session was organized. So I think you are feeling comfortable, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Without hesitation, you are speaking.
Yes, sir.
Without thinking anything.
Yes, sir.
Well.
सर, मैं बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि आपको पढ़ना ज़रूरी नहीं है, आपको अपनी सोच बदलने की ज़रूरत है। ये दहेज लेने के लिए ये मिथ है कि आप पढ़े लिखे हैं तो आप दहेज नहीं लेंगे। सर, एक एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं कि हमारे पेरेंट्स बहुत पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं, पर उनकी सोच ऐसी है कि उनके बच्चे पढ़ें और बहुत आगे बढ़ें। सो that's all, sir.